Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily make your own invoice. You'll have this link down below in the description. It's called zoho.com invoice free invoice generator. Many times for creating an invoice they are going to ask you for money, email. It's nothing like that with Zoho. So first I'm going to add my own company here. Now I will add my name, address, city is going to be okay, and USA you just add like Albania, right? Whatever, or Cook Island. Now bill 2, you just add here the company of your, like, who do you want to invoice? Let's go with vendor, and I'm going to add Western Sahara, right? Now you're gonna create invoice here, and invoice number 12, or you can go like 2021, and today is 3rd of February. So you can make it by date if you want to, or you can go 2021 001 or 0001. Now you're gonna have like invoice date here that you can have. You can also rename the invoice. Then you're gonna see like the items. So you add here this book. You can go with the quantity 1, or you can go with the quantity no 10. Then you choose right here with like 30, or just choose the rate here, and then you're gonna see amount here, right? 300. You can add multiple items if you want to, and then you're gonna subtotal here 300, and you can add sales tax, or what you can do is to complete delete tax. It's also like really up to you if you want to have a tax or no. And that total, I can simply choose it and change it to like euro, right? As you can see, 300 euro. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So yeah, and now when you got it, you can send it, or you can click get PDF. And voila, here you are. Here you got perfect PDF invoice that you can send someone. So this is how you can easily make a PDF online for free. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.